In this video, I'll be showing you how to install APK files on iPhone. These programs are very simple to use and will be clearly described in the video. Subscribe to the channel for future solutions to all of your digital problems. So, first things first, grab your mobile device and head over to your home screen. Once here, dive into your settings because we need to get your device all set up for the download. Click on General, then find Background App Refresh, and make sure it's either set to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Got that done? Awesome. Now, hit the back button a couple of times until you're back in Settings and click on Battery. Now we're almost there. Under Battery, the final touch, make sure the low power mode is disabled. If you spot a yellow power bar, that's your cue to turn it off. Now back to your home screen. Okay, now that your device is ready, open up your internet browser. Right now, I'm on Google. Type in injectapp.org in that trusty search bar. Once you see the website, click on it. It should be sitting right at the top. This is for installing the app. In that search bar on the website, type in the name. It's AM sign. Remember the I is A1. And it's brought to you by Team Excrete iOS download. And the best part, it's completely free. Click on it and it will tell you injection required. Don't worry, injection just means download. It'll start downloading all the necessary files straight to your device. Pick your device, specify the version, and hit Start Injection. Give it about 30 to 40 seconds depending on your internet speed, and once it's done, the app is now on your device. If you've already got it installed, feel free to close out. No need for a second round of downloads. Easy as pie, right? So that's pretty much it. That's how to install APK files on iPhone. I hope that I got to help you out with this video, and please do not forget to give this video a like and leave us a comment down below if you have any suggestions for videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.